everyone, Marian here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share my top tips for starting a mommy YouTube channel. So if you're thinking about it yourself, stay tuned because I really want to share with you guys what has helped me grow the most and what I've learned from over a year on YouTube. I'm also going to be sharing with you guys some YouTube secrets that you won't hear mentioned, but you'll see new YouTubers doing that really work to get views and subscribers. And I'll also share with you guys some of the best resources out there to help you get started with your channel. And if this is the first video of mine that you're watching, welcome. My name's Marian. I make videos about being a Jewish mom, and I would love it if you subscribe to my channel and give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. So before we get into the YouTube specific tips, the first thing I just want to say is that I know a lot of moms are starting YouTube channels and vlogs as a way to earn some secondary income because they're stay-at-home moms. And I love that. I love mompreneurs. I love supporting mompreneurs, mom entrepreneurs. And what I want to just recommend really quickly before jumping into the YouTube specific tips is a book that has helped me so much with finances. Any YouTube channel is going to take a little while before it can be monetized and start earning you revenue. And in that time, I think it's really helpful to just get your personal finances in order and do the best you can with what you're earning right now. And the book that I want to recommend is by a guy called Ramit, who also, by the way, makes a lot of YouTube and Instagram content. And his book is called I Will Teach You to Be Rich. It is honestly the best personal finance book I have read. I personally have been to business school and have read so many like self-help, motivation, finance books. And I think this is the best one for anyone who's just trying to get everything in order or get started and get the fundamentals right. So if you're starting to create a mommy YouTube channel because you wanted to earn money for your family, my top recommendation is to read his book before you get started. So my next tip before you upload your first video, or if you're just starting to upload, is to really study YouTube. It takes time to figure out what works on YouTube. And most of the people who are starting mommy channels or YouTube channels in general probably watch a lot of YouTube, but what they might not be watching, or what you might not be watching, is new YouTubers. So while it's important to see the super successful YouTubers and what they're doing, it's also really important to look at people who are just starting out to see what their videos look like and what works for them. So here's a good example for you guys. Louise Pentland is a really famous British YouTuber, and she's been doing YouTube for like 10 years. Right now her channel is focused on being a mom because that's what her life is focused on, and she does a lot of vlogs. It's great to watch her channel. It's also very entertaining. And by the way, I'll link everyone's channel I mentioned down below. But if you watch someone who's been doing this for 10 years and who already have a huge number of subscribers, they're not going to be using the same techniques that you need to use when you're just getting started. One of the things I do want to mention is that starting a vlog channel is one of the most difficult channels to get going because people don't know you, so there's no real reason that they want to tune in to watch your family unless you have some really extraordinary family or family settings. So for example, you'll see YouTubers that have like 6 kids that are homesteading in the middle of nowhere. So if you have some really unique aspect to your life or some really entertaining value, then that rule probably doesn't apply to you. But if you're just a normal suburban mom with 1 or 2 kids, it is really hard to get a vlog channel started. My recommendation is to focus on a niche. My niche personally is being a Jewish mom, and then upload content specific to that with lots of how-to videos and helpful ideas, DIYs, things that you know people will be searching for on YouTube, because that's how they're going to come across your channel. If you're just doing day in the life vlogs, it's really hard to pop up on search results for a new channel. So that might be your future focus, and that's great. And of course you can intersperse those videos along the way, but when you're just starting out, I really recommend finding a niche that works for you and really hitting it hard and focusing on things that people will be searching for on YouTube. My third tip is to just upload that video. I know this is a really hard part for some people. I personally waited, I think, 6 months from the time I decided I wanted to start YouTube till the time I actually uploaded my first video because I was so nervous of the people I knew, not strangers, but the people I knew, seeing my videos and seeing that they didn't have a lot of views and thinking I was like silly for pursuing this and that it was like embarrassing in some way. But the truth is, everyone who starts their channel starts from 0 subscribers and 0 views, and that's just just a hurdle that you're going to have to get over, is at the beginning, no one's gonna watch. But that's okay, because that's when you're learning, and that's when you're probably making your least successful content, because you're just starting to figure it all out. And the only way to really figure it out is to just get started and do it. And of course, I'm not recommending you post anything you're not proud of, but as the months go by, if there's a video that you're like, oh, that's just not me anymore, or oh, I wish I hadn't edited it that way, you can always privatize it. Another point I want to make about that is you don't need fancy equipment to get started. I know so many YouTubers personally that have started with just their iPhones, and the way to successfully make content that way is to make sure that you're filming in a quiet location where there's not a lot of background noise so people can hear what you're saying, and to have lots of natural lighting. Lighting is a huge thing on YouTube, because if the videos are dark and people can't see you clearly, they're not going to want to watch. But the good thing is, most days the sun is shining, and all you have to do is put yourself in front of a window and film from there, and that's how you get great natural lighting and have your videos look good no matter what camera you're using. So I should add, filming with a window here in the back is not a good idea. I'll just give my excuse that I am 8 months pregnant, and it is very hard for me to set up filming locations in parts of my house that are ideal for lighting, because I am not able to like move anything and do anything anyway. So I just want to get that out there. The window should be in front of you so it's giving you the natural light. Okay, and here is my secret YouTube tip. When you are first starting out your channel, one of the best things to do is to find other channels that are in the same spot as you and comment on their videos. Really, truly interact with them in a genuine way. Now, here's the really super secret part, is how to do that. So if you, for example, are a new mom channel with a young baby, there's certain video ideas that are really popular, like a what's in my diaper bag video. So if you go to YouTube and search what's in my diaper bag, you then want to filter those results by what's been uploaded in the past 24 hours, because people who upload are checking their comments and interactions within that first day of upload. Once you've filtered by date, you then want to search for videos that have probably less than 100 views if you're just starting out. And that's really easy to see. You can search by view count, you can search by upload date, etc. So you just want to scroll through, and you'll see that there's people who have like 20 views on their video that's been up for 5 hours. That's a clear indication that they're a new channel with not many subscribers, and those are the videos you want to click on and comment on, and those are the people you want to be friends with, because they're likely starting out as well and they're looking to make YouTube friends. The truth is, at the beginning, most of the people who watch and comment on your videos are going to be other small YouTubers, and that's actually a really good thing, because they're going to be your first YouTube friends and you guys are going to support each other. Hopefully you can make collaborations together, which is another great way to gain subscribers, and those folks are the ones most eager to watch your videos, to learn from you, and to comment and support what you're doing. So one of my best recommendations is to spend at least 15 to 20 minutes every single day doing that. Searching for the type of videos you know are similar to yours, commenting on the ones that have just been uploaded that don't have too many views, and then checking back in with them, replying to their reply, etc., and making real friends. You should also look at their other social media and follow them on Instagram or Twitter, for example, to really show that you're interested in their type of content. And being actually interested in their content is the best way to make a YouTube friend. And my last tip for you guys is to search for outliers. I don't know the exact statistics on how many people start YouTube channels every day, but I have a feeling it's a lot. And most of those channels do not succeed, and a lot of them will grow slowly if the person's really committed, but once in a while there's that spark of an amazing channel that just grows super quickly. What's good about finding these channels is it's really remarkable to, one, just have the inspiration that it can happen, and to two, to see what they're doing. So this gets back to finding channels that should be good inspirations for you. And since I've started, I've seen 3 channels that have grown super fast like lightning. The first one is my good friend Jessica Toole. Jessica makes amazing speed cleaning videos, and although she started out making a few other types of videos, she's mostly focused on her niche and really doubled down on it. Now she's starting to expand, but if you want a super inspiring motivational cleaning video, her channel is the one for you. We started at almost the exact same time with almost the exact same subscribers, and I think she has like over 150,000 subscribers right now. So she was one of the first YouTube friends I made, and we were commenting on each other's videos and social media and stuff like that. I'm just interested in her life. She's a wonderful person, but I am also fascinated at how incredibly fast her channel has grown. And of course, part of the reason is that inexplicable personality trait that some people are just drawn to. She has that personality that people just want to watch more of, and people subscribe to her video. I don't think she has any secret hidden tips about titles or SEO or anything like that. I think people just genuinely love her. But what I will say is I think she was super smart to focus on cleaning videos, which are doing really well on YouTube right now, and to not confuse her subscribers, especially at the beginning, by making different kinds of videos. She's doubled down on it, and she has a certain style to her video, and she's stuck to it, and it works for her. The second one I want to mention is Till Vacuum To Us Part, which is another cleaning video. She started after my channel started, and she again has tens of thousands of subscribers, and she has a beautiful home, which I think people love watching, a beautiful personality, and again, she's doubled down on her niche of cleaning videos and is just making them super consistently, and they're very entertaining to watch. And the last one I want to mention is a new YouTuber named Erica Terry. She's another mommy YouTuber, and she makes some Jewish mom content as well. We've done a collab together, and I have seen her channel growing super fast, and I will not be surprised if it speeds ahead of mine anytime soon. So Erica has also focused on a niche, which is DIY, and inexpensive DIY. She makes short videos to the point. She just gets right to it, shows you how to make something. It's always super simple and easy to follow along with, and she also focuses on things that people are probably searching for, like Disney ideas and things that are timed towards the holidays, like Christmas and New Year's, etc. So as you're getting started with your own channel, it's important to look out for those outliers that are just doing super well, and to not be jealous of them, but to just see what they're doing and what you can learn from them, because that will really help you along the way. So I hope you guys have found these tips helpful. For anyone who's just starting out on their channel, I definitely welcome you to comment that below in the comments. I'll try to subscribe to you and comment back. I'm happy for you guys to use the comment section to meet others. There's a lot of YouTube help videos where people do that, but the problem is it's all types of different YouTubers, so you're probably not getting the subscribers who are actually interested in your content, which is not a good thing. So I hope the comment section in this video could be more helpful to you. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below. I'll see you next time. Bye!